If you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and award-winning solution to beat the summer heat, the Whynter ARC-14S portable air conditioner might just be the perfect answer. This 14,000 BTU dual-hose portable AC unit is one of the most efficient and user-loved options available today, and it's no surprise it was named Best Overall Portable Air Conditioner of 2025 by Good Housekeeping. Let's take a closer look at what makes this unit such a standout performer. First and foremost, the ARC-14S delivers powerful cooling for rooms up to 500 square feet. Whether it's your bedroom, living room, office, or studio apartment, this unit is designed to handle medium to large spaces with ease. Unlike many other portable ACs, this one uses a dual-hose system, which means it cools more efficiently by drawing in and expelling air separately. This helps reduce negative pressure in the room and results in faster, more consistent cooling. Despite its power, one of the most impressive aspects of this unit is its quiet operation. At just 51 decibels on the lowest fan setting, it's remarkably quiet for its size. That's quieter than the hum of a normal conversation or the background noise of a suburban street. If you need a cooling solution for your bedroom or workspace where noise is a concern, this air conditioner is a top contender. The unit also functions as a dehumidifier, with a dehumidifying capacity of 71 pints per day. This is ideal for humid climates or rooms that tend to trap moisture. The patented auto-drain feature automatically expels moisture through the exhaust hose in most environments, meaning less manual work for you. No more dealing with full water tanks or constant emptying. It's one of the few portable ACs that offers such a hands-free dehumidifying experience. In terms of versatility, the ARC-14S offers 3 operational modes: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan-only. These modes, combined with 3 fan speeds and full thermostatic control ranging from 61 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit, allow you to customize your comfort to your exact liking. Whether you're battling scorching summer heat or just need to improve airflow on a milder day, this unit gives you plenty of options. Energy efficiency is always a concern with cooling appliances, and while this unit may not be ENERGY STAR certified, it still delivers impressive performance. It uses CFC-free R32 refrigerant, which is more environmentally friendly than older alternatives. The unit's seasonal energy efficiency ratio, or SEER, is rated at 7.69, which is fairly reasonable for a high-capacity portable model. The build quality and design of the ARC-14S also deserve mention. The exterior is finished in a sleek platinum and black color combination, giving it a modern and professional appearance that blends well with most home interiors. At just under 36 inches tall, and with a relatively compact footprint, it's not overly bulky for a 14,000 BTU system. Included in the package are everything you need to get started: the air conditioner itself, an extendable dual-hose system that reaches up to 60 inches, a window kit that fits windows from 20 to 46 inches, a washable pre-filter, and even an activated carbon air filter to help eliminate odors and airborne particles. This adds to the overall air quality of your room, not just the temperature. And if you're concerned about maintenance or portability, don't worry. The unit comes with casters for easy mobility, a storage bag for off-season storage, and clear instructions for quick setup. The filters are washable, so there's no need to constantly replace them. To sum it all up, the Whynter ARC-14S portable air conditioner is a top-tier choice for anyone looking for efficient, quiet, and multifunctional climate control. Its combination of cooling power, dual-hose efficiency, dehumidifying capability, and solid construction make it a standout performer. It's ideal for medium to large rooms, runs quieter than expected, and includes smart features that make your life easier, all backed by a respected brand name in portable cooling technology. If you're ready to invest in a cooling solution that delivers comfort, reliability, and convenience, the Whynter ARC-14S is absolutely worth your consideration.